So there's this video circulating online of this carrot cake that is supposed to be the bomb. Well, I don't trust anything online, so I wanted to see if it is as tasty as people are saying it is. So we're gonna make that today and we're gonna put it to the test. And if you wanna see how it's made, stay tuned and watch this video. And this is it. Now what I'm gonna do is so I'm gonna just let it stay here and cool off. Look at that beauty. So while it's cooling, we're just gonna make the icing. Look at that beauty, guys. This smells divine. I want to eat this up right now. It smells so good. OMG, my house literally smells like a bakery. I kid you not. So I'm gonna let it cool off. Just cool down for about 10 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna get the icing. So stay tuned.